welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 29. Lakes Kivu and Malawi are related in that they A. lie in the northern hemisphere, B. are crater lakes, C. attract a large number of tourists, D. are rift valley lakes, E. artificial in nature. Now, to put this in perspective, we need to know that in this area where we have Malawi and Kivu, Lakes Kivu, that rift valleys lakes are lakes formed as a result of faulting. So whenever we hear about rift valley lakes, which is associated with these lakes Kivu and lakes Malawi. So rift valley lakes are lakes formed as a result of faulting. You understand? So this faulting gives rise to valleys by the sinking of land between two parallel faults. By sinking of land between two parallel faults. So that's how you get a rift valley, and this causes deep, narrow, and elongated. These lakes are deep, narrow, and elongated in nature. So this is what we get in rift valleys. Now, water which accumulates in such deep hollows are usually below sea level. Good examples of such lakes are those found in the East African Rift Valley. So it's in the East African Rift Valley, that's where we have this East African Rift Valley. That is where we get this. That is where we get Lake Malawi, Lake Kivu, and Lake Tanganyika. It's not just these two lakes. You also have Lake Tanganyika. So those are the lakes that we see in the East African Rift Valley. We have the Lake Tanganyika, Lake Kivu, and Lake Malawi. And that is why option D is the right answer for these. Rift Valley lakes. All of them are Rift Valley lakes. Thank you.